Let's try to model stairs. From a top view, where full points, we can find where is the stairs. There they go. Just make a clipping box. Let's clip by rectangle and rotate it. And move a little bit. Or scale. Why is it black? We can switch our coloring by intensity. First of all, let's do our walls which are touching stairs. Let's make a cut section through below window. When it's narrow, it's more dense. And from a top view, those are walls. Let's do first line here and create a plane. Push it up and align our axis. Now we can push until the wall. Here also from a top view here, and create these lines. I think we have to copy it and mirror it and move all the line. The line is moved. Looks like done, so we can push it until it disappears. Box is done. It will be our floor. So let's change our clipping box to see floor over ground. A little bit more narrow and push it right. Oh, we can see from a side view and stop on where the floor is. Now we can create first our run. So let's make a vertical section like that. Let's see from a side view. Let's create profiles of each step. So I can make simple plane which goes through our section box, and draw profiles on that plane. Let's align our axis. Now it's better or not? Seems to be. Top view will be this one, and also this rounded part of stairs. We can make many copies of that for every step we are doing without measuring, just to show the principle. And here's the landing, so we can continue our line and delete on what's necessary. Also, overlapping lines might be deleted, or if you don't want, you can leave it. It doesn't disturb, but looks more better without them. I left some parts here, a few more steps. Here we go. Now we have upper part of stairs. Now let's create lower part of stairs. Draw below landing and below stairs. Here, this wall, finishing wall. Now we can erase what is unneeded. Stair is also almost done. Let's push it until there. Let's see the whole situation and push the other side. It's not closed, so let's enclose it somehow. This is white or not. Okay, now it's enclosed. Let's push it to this side. Okay, let's align axis according to this plane so that we can have our top view right, exact and correct. You have to add also those two first steps and make it according wall, our landing. We can continue wall lines and connect them. Push it until it disappears. So this can be reversed. And walls also done. First run almost done. Let's try to do first step. This profile goes up until meets here. Can it be deleted? Yes. And those rounded profiles, let's do it with follow me function until the end of line, like that. This gap can be done with the sandbox tool because it's too difficult to catch every line. Let's do. Where is the sandbox? From contours, yeah. Well, that works. Why is this gap created? Who knows? Let's remove lines and see how can we fill this gap by connecting each line. Well, let's do second step also. Tap view, stop here, and erase it, delete it, and let's do the same. See if it works. I don't know why this is working. So what if we copy that profile and mirror it, take it to another site? Will be there any gap? I think it's need to be extended. What is about now? Now it's better, but not good. So let's do same as we did. Okay, this profile can be removed. We can fill it and close our stays. Yeah. Here you have first run is done. It's up to here. Let's push it until wall. Well, I don't want to push with that rounded profile. Maybe like that. Delete unnecessary lines. Break here because it's a little bit over. Goes. It's the wrong place. Maybe here it will be working. Yes. From a top view, here you can stop. Continue here. Our landing is extended. Let's cut this part, same as we did on that side. So just extend those lines of walls, connect them, and push it. Those should be reversed to interior side. Landing is done, and that way we can make second our stairs run. So let's scale a little bit and create a vertical cut of stairs and do same profiles as we did here. For example, plane, and move our box. It would be visible from that side. Align view. It's a little bit extended. Now it can be done, or we can copy or make a new. Let's make a new. When we are seriously working, we should copy those profiles because they practically they are the same. For now it would be nice to use drawn profiles. So first is drawn. Let's do from a new. Delete those lines. Just copy it. A few steps left. Here's the finish. We dance a little bit away from a plane, so it's not needed. This was helping. One missed. This one is a missed. Let's make it like that. And I will delete, I will remove overlapping lines, and later on I will draw bottom of this run as we did before, that it will be a single plane. Let's connect those things and enclose it. And now when it's enclosed, we can push it to the section box like that. Those things might be deleted. And now I need to draw bottom, just a part of it. Okay, this also should be extended a little bit more until here. Right side view, connect everything, delete unnecessary things. I will push it, let it will disappear, and I need to push this run until the wall. Here I can delete, make it clear. Let's make bigger the clipping box, and also push other side of stairs. See, from a top view until the end here, like that. So looks like our stairs are practically done. For walls also might be done. Let's do bigger clipping box and see. Of course, it's all about density, but make it without wall. And what if we will check it with the model inspection tool, 30 millimeters. Everything looks green, of course, except railings, because we didn't do our railings. That's because they are red. So now it fits point cloud. What's about that side? Let's move a little bit our clipping box a little bit down. Now it's also green. 30 millimeters comparison between point cloud and face. So green means good, red is not. Railing are not done, so this is why it's red. But practically we have done our stairs. That's how it works.